Just replacing some water separator filters. I was told to put these vice grips on that hose so fuel doesn't come right out of this filter. Just a little bit did. Fill that up with fuel. It's ready to go. Tighten it back on. And do the same for this one. Take it off, fill it with fuel, put it back on. All you need for this is some diesel fuel, obviously, of course, and vice grips. This line goes to this filter. That line goes to this filter, as you can see. And yes, a little bit comes out of the filters after you take them off. Just a tad bit. See? Very simple. Just a little drip. New filters. I went with these filters from AirDog themselves, but I would recommend just go with Fleet Guard. I didn't know until a friend told me that they're about $10 a filter from Fleet Guard themselves. Guess I went the expensive route. And that is the final deal. I just snugged them up by hand, tightened them as tight as I could with my hand. And then I tightened them a little bit more with a filter wrench. Yep, that's it. Pretty easy work. Thanks for watching.